Are you looking for an affordable 5-star ski destination in Europe? I found it for you. Please don't forget to like this video. Together with my wife and my son, we live in the Netherlands. We wanted to go on a ski holiday. Like most Dutch do, we checked the prices in Austria, Tirol, Zell and other great ski destinations in Europe. But all of them are so expensive, and it has to do with the supply and demand, we thought. So we decided to search for a spot where we can have more fun for less money, and we found Turkey. Many Europeans think Turkey for their summer vacations. However, the country is full of great 5-ski resorts as well. The most beautiful part is all of these resorts are located next to the ski lifts. Most hotels work with the all-in concept. Next to all you can eat and drink, you will get free ski pass when you stay at their resort. But only the ski pass is around €8 a day, comparing to €60 a day in Austria or €50 a day in Italy. We could save a lot of money on our ski trip, even though we stayed in a 5-star hotel. Our first stop was Istanbul. Beautiful iconic places like Hagia and Blumosque was on our list to visit. After visiting them, the following day, early in the morning, we traveled to Uludag by bus. It's only 2-3 hours away from Istanbul. While we were on the bus traveling, I had my doubts about this ski holiday in Turkey, because Istanbul was hot and we couldn't see any snow anywhere. Even when we arrived in the city near the mountain, we could see people walking without their coats on, and it was a sunny day. The bus started to climb the hill and we began to see more snow on the ground. We arrived at the hotel and I directly went to the ski rental. We checked the prices for private lessons. Unbelievable to discover that not only these hotels, but even renting the skis, snowboards were incredibly cheap. It was €8 for anything you could borrow. And the private lessons. A private ski lesson or a snowboard lesson for only €30 an hour. And it was a great deal, so I decided to get some ski lessons for my son. What is remarkable about Uludag, Turkey is that during our ski holiday of 7 days, every day the sky was bright blue and it was full of sunshine. Our hotel was at the top spot as well. We had everything at our hotel, like a swimming pool, live music, bars, cafes, spa, even a hammam and more. We even booked a snowmobile tour which brought us to the nice spots around the mountain. We have been there during the Carnival's holiday in Europe at the end of February, beginning of March. Austria, Italy or France are full packed during these holiday seasons, but Turkey has other holiday seasons than the Europeans, so that gave us an exclusive feeling as the mountains were not covered at all. We did not have a need to wait for the ski lifts, restaurants or crowded ski tracks. Uludag is beautiful. The mountain is divided in 2 areas. Area 1 is for even a lot cheaper lodges. Most students and Turkish daily visitors stay around this area. Area 2 is for comfortable and exclusive ski trip where most of the 4 or 5-star hotels are located. Whatever your reason is, Turkey has a lot to offer for your hardly earned money. Thank you for watching, and please do not forget to like or subscribe.